Q.ANT is debuting its pilot line for Photonic AI chip production. We'll explain how long it will take for this line to reach full speed. Quantum dot manufacturer UbiQD says it can increase solar power efficiency by 16%. How the company's latest acquisition could make that happen. And can a wearable bionic device improve the systems that run autonomous vehicles and robots? How scientists tapped into the extraordinary vision of birds to get the job done. All this and more on Photonics Spectra Now. Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Skia Systems. From nano to infinity, visit skia-systems.com for more. By Edmund Optics, the future depends on optics. Go to edmundoptics.com to see their complete line of products. And by POET Technologies, the world's best hybrid integration platform for pluggable transceivers. Check out poet-technologies.com to learn more. Hi, and welcome to Photonics Spectra Now, covering your top headlines in the world of photonics. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonics Spectra. Q.ANT is announcing the debut of its pilot line for Photonic AI chip production. At the Institute of Microelectronics Stuttgart in Germany, the developer of photonic processing systems for AI launched the dedicated production line for thin-filmed lithium niobate-based chips. The line is expected to boost the production of energy-efficient, high-performance processors needed for AI applications. Officials with the company predict that these processors will be the cornerstone of AI infrastructure by 2030. Q.ANT has dropped more than $14 million into the project. STMicroelectronics is unveiling its next generation of tech for increasing performance in optical interconnects found in data centers and AI clusters. The 300mm silicon platform systems, based on its silicon phosphorus and BiCMOS technologies, were developed with help from Amazon Web Services. BiCMOS is a combination of bipolar resistors and CMOS technology based on silicon germanium. These new systems will include optical modules running at speeds of 800 gigabytes per second and 1.6 terabytes per second. Lumotive has closed on $45 million in investments. The producer of programmable optical semiconductor products just announced the results of this Series B funding round. Execs with the company say this money will be used to speed up the development of its Light Control Metasurface technology. Lumotive says this investment marks a pivotal moment in their evolution of programmable optics that could see applications in autonomous driving, advanced robotics, and other industrial processes. The European Union has approved funding for expanding a semiconductor manufacturing facility from AMS OSRAM. Up to $238 million for the project will come from the European Chips Act, with AMS OSRAM planning to invest a total of $596 million into the facility. Production is expected to be full tilt by 2030. UbiQD has acquired BlueDot Photonics and all assets that come with it, including the perovskite-based quantum cutting technology said to have the potential to increase solar panel efficiency by up to 16%. That increase in efficiency can reduce the cost of solar energy generation by multiplying the number of usable photons for energy capture. The financial terms of this deal have not been released. And a newly developed bionic device only sounds like it's for the birds, but it could actually change how autonomous systems interact with their surroundings. Researchers at the City University of Hong Kong have created this wearable tech that replicates the exceptional vision of birds, all with almost no power consumption. Traditional silicon-based vision chips can have difficulties in emulating biological behaviors and often require a lot of energy to operate. But scientists have found a way to create a vision system that overcomes these issues through specialized materials and neural network architectures. This study could open the door to an entirely new wave of intelligent visual processing. Best of all, the researchers behind it say the device could soon be easily integrated into existing systems for autonomous driving and robotics. Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in our industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.